Welcome to my projectbuster.com. Now we can going to discuss about the product, an interleaved bidirectional AC to DC converter with reduced switches and active power control. Next we can going to discuss about the abstract of our product. In the proposed system we can using the new implementation technique for interleaving AC to DC converter. This technique is one of the innovation technique for the reduce the number of switches based on the our conduction levels, and these components are using the high power applications because of this entire recent prototype modeling for particular applications and high power applications. And another thing, some AC side of ripple current reflections also emitted, and we can using this entire system or using the MATLAB Simulink modeling software. Then we can implement the lab view for that, and we can propose system as an implement the topology for nearly we can generating the power of stabilization medium for 3.5 kilowatt prototype is modeling of this type. And these are entire systems are based on the seamless transition for the different power factors and current ripple factor significant based on the switches. Next we can going to discuss about the circuit diagram and flow diagram of your product. First we can going to discuss about the VS. This is an voltage source of AC grid. This is an full and full AC generation power. This is sent to the power of these positive waves for the IS. The IS is an current. The current is transferred to the magnetizing inductance for LF. We can generating some magnetizing current for the specific inductor. Then it is passed to the CF capacity. These are one of the node. This is one particular region to separate the different currents, and these are some different branches of currents segregated to the inductors of L1, L2 and L3, and three different branches are passing to the different switches. This is on positive region, negative region switches, and this on positive region switches. And the receiving side we can using for the VDC. This is on full and full ultra capacitance bank of very high capacitor bank. This is some specification will be applied to the in the specific models, but we can implement the capacitor charges only. Then we can given these lot of switching pulses in the different switches of SV minus and SV plus, and different switching pulses applicable for this entire system. Some reactive power control to this in this technique to control our entire system modeling. This is on our control circuits. First we can see the reactive power reference value will be given to the limiter. The limiter then passed to the VRMS. So this is on some control circuits to manipulate our power to generate on, and so how do we can control our pulses based on the our circuit diagram of the procedure format. And this voltage source input and current reference then we can pass to the PID controller. Then we can using the some logical circuits we can invert and then non-invert the our switching pulses. So this is on our control of the switching pulses of this modeling. We can the SV minus and SV plus are also given these switching pulses, and another six pulses are given to the under functions we can getting to the control circuits of these blocks. Next we can going to discuss about the running procedure of your product in the proposed system implementation done in MATLAB version 2018b, and the control circuits are connected to the corresponding scopes are from two functions are using the our entire results. Next we can going to discuss for the our circuit diagram of product. These are our entire circuit modeling of this product, and this is our entire topology system. This is our AC source, and as per that we can implement the our circuit diagram of the base paper, and these are entire switches are controlled from two functions. We can getting switching pulses of the this is on triggering on the triggering of this different duty cycle ratios. As per that we can given to the switching pulse using for the MOSFET to control our switches, and these are different regions and different segmentation for that implementing this on Q reference block. We can implement the different circuit topologies, and some manual calculation we can implement the different switching pulses. As well again we can find out the I reference, and this is our another one modeling of this these are compensate the duty cycle ratio controller of the proposed switching strategy. These are specific blocks are every blocks are very important to gather, and these blocks are very reference to the our logical circuits of NOT and AND gate functions. So we can using NOT and AND gate functions, and these are some our our carries. These are our specific carry waves. These are not for 10, these are like 40 carry waves. And next we can going to discuss about our results. Every scopes are connected to the from two functions, so these are our entire system results. First we can see the this is grid voltage. Nearly we can given the input for the 150 RMS we can given to the input, so we can be generating pure sinusoidal wave. We can getting use the X zoom in, we can getting the large zoom in result. And these are our sawtooth carrier. These are a fully triangular wave. This is based on our frequency based carrier will generate the, and this carrier is automatically control over the control pulses. And this is our VDC ring result. This our receiving side of the DC capacitance, we can consume the this type of voltage, we can consume that. So this is an VDC result. And this is an our switch voltage and switch current. This is an very high voltage and low current, but this is fully based on our switching characteristics based because of this forward region and reverse region of MOSFET. So this can automatically control our pulses. These are like fully DC. And another thing, these are our switching pulses. The switching pulses are different duty cycle ratios based on this, and one switch is on and another switch is automatically off. Different on every switches on different performance to perform on the specific sections, and these duty cycles are ratios are very different to every switches. So not only is everyone is not same. You can see switch number 1 is on very large number of duty cycle is on fully off, but switch 2 is on not fully on, is on automatically on and automatically 2 off. Similar to that we can see the switch 3 and the switch 4 and the switch 5 and switch 6 also. And another one result we can see by this one analysis of the performance characteristics of bidirectional AC to DC converter. This is on 6 different topologies to compare our interleaving converter also. So we can perform the high efficiency, we can generating the our power. So we can given these type of results getting to so thanks for watching.